Hurricane Dorian tonight dominating the headlines again and now moving up coast. Its most devastating impact in the Bahamas, of course, but now spreading to North and South Carolina as well, up the seaboard. And the Carolinas suffering the brunt tonight. ABC's Morgan Norwood gives us an update.
Hurricane Dorian battering the Carolina coast throughout the day Thursday.
It was a little scary in the middle of the night. It started to pick up and the shutters were banging.
Charleston hit relatively hard. Streets there flooded.
Stay off the streets. It's very dangerous.
This tree crashing onto a bed of a 7-year-old boy.
We were all sleeping downstairs as precaution for this reason.
Thousands now without power after trees came down on power lines. Waterspouts spotted off the coast of North Carolina.
Which way is it going?
The powerful winds ripping the siding off this apartment complex.
And all of a sudden the windows broke loose. Everything was swirling in our bedroom.
Dorian spawning numerous tornadoes, one destroying this mobile home park.
What surprised me the most was how quickly it was over and done with. I mean, it was a deafening noise.
This entire neighborhood flooded, for the most part Dorian sparing Florida, but the Bahamas now facing a long road to recovery.
A number of friends who are already dead, family friends who are gone. I can't dwell on the material things, but it's still hard to see all what you've been accumulating and building up over years just completely washed away.
With so many missing across the Bahamas, the fear now is that the death toll could grow much higher. And you see the heavy wind and the rain whipping up behind me. Looking ahead, Dorian is expected to travel north. In New York City, beaches there already closing, announcing those closings for Friday and Saturday. In Wilmington, I'm Morgan Norwood, ABC News.